Hello everyone! Today I have a few new demos I'm making available. The mesh shader thing I showed in a previous video is now up on itch.io on the 2023 demo page. It's not the newest tech, it's just a demo that looking back I feel like I should have released. After doing my JavaScript re-implementation of particle-based viscoelastic fluids, I was quite happy when it ran across my different devices. Then I watched the Chernals video about Raylib and decided to use it to make a WebAssembly demo. I posted it on Twitter and it kind of took off. Some people really liked to sort the layers. It really made me very happy to see people enjoying the demo, discovering the controls and the different ways to interact with it. So I've decided this next month I'm going to take a short detour from Crystal to port over a bunch of demos to WebAssembly. Those of you that have been following for a longer time know that I used to have a bunch of mobile apps and Java demos. The fact that they're no longer available has been a major drag for me. I think if I get all of them back, it will be good for my mental, and I'll be able to focus better and work hard on Liquid Crystal Sandbox. I am also hoping that it will help more people discover my project, because people don't really like downloading random exe files, and Microsoft's Smart Screen really isn't helping. And some people just don't know that they like playing with physics sandboxes. And also in business terms, they will act as a bit of a sales funnel to my Steam page, which I really need to set up. I would like to release something big in the winter. So yeah, that's about it for today. Enjoy these demos and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.